Do you feel pain in your legs when getting out of bed or walking just a few meters? You should know that this affects over 70% of people over 60, and what seems like a simple discomfort could be the beginning of something more serious. Doctors warn that this loss of mobility is linked to a nutritional deficiency that many people are unaware of. The good news is that there are 3 simple foods that, according to experts, can transform your muscle health and give you back your independence. In this video, you'll find out what these foods are, how to consume them properly, and why they are so effective in restoring your strength and well-being. If you're looking for healthy eating, lasting health, and greater longevity, this content is essential. Stay until the end, because combining these tips with a small routine adjustment can change everything. And the third food will surprise you. But first, let's understand why muscle weakness and reduced mobility affect people over 60. Have you ever felt pain in your legs when trying to get out of bed or after a short walk? You should know that this is not normal. And unfortunately, it affects more than 70% of women over 60. This constant discomfort compromises health, limits daily movement, and worse, undermines independence, directly impacting quality of life. What starts as a simple discomfort often evolves into a state of total dependence. It's a silent cycle that creeps into the body without the person even realizing it. The truth is that thousands of people are suffering in silence, believing that this is a natural part of aging. But it's not. A healthy diet plays a key role in preventing this decline, especially when the goal is to live longer with autonomy. But before we reveal the 3 main foods that will restore your strength, do you know the name of this silent enemy attacking your legs? Sarcopenia, the silent enemy. There's a little-known term that deeply affects people's health after age 60, sarcopenia. It refers to the progressive loss of muscle mass, which worsens over time, making every movement more difficult, from getting up from a chair to climbing a small flight of stairs. This condition drastically reduces mobility and is one of the main causes of falls and physical dependence in old age. Healthy eating can be a powerful ally, but few people talk about it. The signs of sarcopenia often go unnoticed. Heavy legs, constant fatigue, joint pain, and instability while walking. These symptoms are the body's way of crying for help, and ignoring them can seriously compromise longevity. What's most alarming is that in many cases, this deterioration happens even in people who consider themselves healthy. But what exactly is causing this rapid muscle loss in the elderly? Accelerated muscle loss doesn't happen by chance. After age 60, the body drastically reduces its production of anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, substances essential for maintaining muscle mass. This hormonal decline directly impacts health, making tissue regeneration harder and weakening physical strength. On top of that, blood circulation in the legs tends to become less efficient with age. That means less oxygen and fewer nutrients reach muscle cells, preventing them from strengthening and repairing properly. Without a healthy diet rich in specific nutrients, the body simply can't maintain its own muscles. But the good news is that there are powerful foods that target these critical areas. Food 1: eggs. Many people still fear eggs because of cholesterol, but modern science has already proven they're one of the most complete foods for health, especially in old age. With about 6 g of protein per unit, eggs provide all the essential amino acids needed for muscle rebuilding. They're also rich in choline, which improves communication between muscles and the brain, and antioxidants like lutein, which fight inflammation and promote longevity. Eating 2 eggs a day can be a game changer for anyone looking for more vitality through healthy eating. The best time to eat them? In the morning, at breakfast, when the body most needs fuel. This habit ensures a steady flow of amino acids and helps prevent muscle breakdown throughout the day. Ideally, they should be eaten boiled or scrambled with little oil, but they can also be used in creative, affordable recipes. Food 2: sardines. Sardines are true gems of healthy eating. Rich in high-quality protein, vitamin D, calcium, and omega-3, they provide everything the body needs to keep muscles strong, bones healthy, and inflammation under control. 3 essential pillars for longevity. What's more, Their composition helps balance the effects of menopause, reducing symptoms like joint pain and chronic fatigue. No wonder experts recommend eating sardines 2 to 3 times a week. And the best part? They're affordable and super practical. Even canned, sardines retain most of their nutrients, especially if eaten with the bones, which are packed with calcium and phosphorus, essential for bone and neuromuscular health. When combined with olive oil, their anti-inflammatory effects are boosted even further. But there's a third food that completes this golden trio, offering benefits that go beyond muscle health, and most people overlook it in their daily lives. Food 3, natural yogurt. Among the most powerful allies for muscle health, natural yogurt often goes unnoticed. But it's a true nutritional treasure. It contains slow-digesting proteins, bioavailable calcium, and live probiotics that strengthen the gut and boost nutrient absorption. This combo is perfect for women over 60, as it directly supports muscle regeneration and helps prevent the loss of lean mass. 2 essential factors for ensuring better mobility and longevity. Consumed in the afternoon or before bed, yogurt aids in overnight muscle recovery when the body most needs nutritional support. For those seeking healthy eating without complications, it's a practical and efficient option. It can be enjoyed plain, with a pinch of cinnamon, or paired with other functional ingredients. And speaking of combinations, let's explore simple recipes that bring together these 3 foods in delicious and highly functional dishes. Many people believe that eating well takes time and money, but the truth is that simple recipes can be incredibly powerful for your health, as long as they combine the right nutrients. A great example is the rebuilding breakfast: 2 scrambled eggs with a bit of shredded sardine and a spoonful of olive oil. This combo delivers fast-absorbing proteins, anti-inflammatory omega-3s, and healthy fats, all in one meal. Perfect for starting the day with energy and a focus on longevity. Another practical option is the muscle-strengthening afternoon snack: natural yogurt with chopped sardines, seasoned with parsley, turmeric, or a touch of cinnamon. It might sound unusual, but it's a nutritional powerhouse for healthy eating and muscle regeneration. At night, a creamy omelet made with eggs and yogurt, filled with sardines, spinach, and tomato, wraps up the day beautifully. But for these recipes to deliver real results, it's important to understand how much protein your body actually needs each day. After age 60, the body no longer responds to protein the same way. This so-called anabolic resistance means it's necessary to consume more protein to achieve the same effects as before. For women in this age group, the ideal intake is between 1.5 and 1.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. That means a 70 kilograms woman needs at least 105 g of protein daily to maintain muscle health and avoid falls, pain, or loss of mobility. And that number increases even more after age 70. But don't worry, reaching that target is totally achievable with simple foods like eggs, yogurt, and sardines strategically spread throughout the day. By adjusting your healthy eating habits to meet these needs, you ensure more longevity, independence, and vitality. Now, if you're wondering how to gradually and practically incorporate these habits into your routine, the next strategies might be exactly what you need. Practical strategies. Turning healthy eating into a lasting habit doesn't have to be complicated. Start small. Add 1 new food per week and try different ways of preparing it until you find what suits your taste. If yogurt seems too sour, add cinnamon or a spoonful of honey to soften the flavor. And if you don't like sardines, swapping them for tuna or mackerel can offer similar benefits, always with a focus on protecting your health and longevity. Another effective strategy is to pair these dietary changes with light exercise routines after meals, like walking or simple resistance movements. This helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently and stimulates muscle synthesis. Investing in protein-rich foods now is more economical and smarter than dealing with the high costs of medications, hospital stays, or physical limitations in the future. And when we combine nutrition with movement, the positive impact on quality of life becomes even more remarkable. The importance of physical exercise. Healthy eating is the foundation of longevity, but on its own, it can't work miracles. to keep your muscles strong and your joints pain-free. It's essential to combine it with physical exercises tailored for older adults. Light activities like walking, stretching, and bodyweight resistance exercises boost circulation, preserve mobility, and enhance the effects of good nutrition. The key is consistency and respecting your body's limits. Even simple movements, when done daily, stimulate muscle regeneration and drastically reduce the risk of falls. In addition, regular exercise helps control blood sugar, ease chronic pain, and improve mood, a true natural boost for both physical and emotional health. Now, if you thought those 3 foods were game changers, just wait until you see the next tip: a homemade mix of banana and lemon that's catching the attention of experts. Click on the screen now and find out how this natural combo can revolutionize your daily routine. That's it for today's video. Take care and see you next time.